Hello.
Can we go now?
Yeah, can we go now? You will go here first.
No.
Why?
Come on,
Oh, there's the money is here. Oh, you can hold the money.
no, come on, let's go.
Oh no, you should stay here for a moment. What are you doing? It's not a seesaw, it's a boat. Okay. We'll go get some ice cream. No, enough now for that one. Okay. Now let's go. Daghan kay flowers. Daghan kay bulak diri ay. Napay kapayas. Oh, can I have what? What do you want? Sige, you get one.
Okay, this one's my favorite.
Oh, that's your favorite. Now you go, you pay. Oh. Ang sa pa imong gusto, be? What else do you like? Dahil dire oh, nay daghang baligya. Oy, ang bayad ni mo ha ihatag. Wala stick. Nay kape. Ha?
No stick.
Wala pag-iris ito. Dito ka ng nice stick. Paghinay ha, paghinay kinay eggs. Oh, big eggs. There's so many big eggs. Hoy!
What's oversized?
Oversized egg.
What do you eat?
Look, you choose. Kanang na daw stick. Na,
Where's the stick?
eh, kanina yung salim. Ay, dili lagi ko
Not
siya.
enough? Here.
This one is like that oh. It's the same. Ang kada mo gusto ka ni?
Ang nice stick, man yung gusto stick.
Oh, nice steak. Kanya ka ng
Find the stick.
orange. Na.
Where's the stick? Here.
Nice steak na. Oh, where's your money?
Finally.
Wala, you pay there. Nagkato ka Ate Risa pag-pay. Naka, you go, you pay. Bulad. You pay. Sige na.
No. Wala ka? Dali naman na. Diba? You know here already. Ngayon din ka ato ta ila Teresa.
Mama?
Oh. What else? Kuha mong change. Hindi. Saan mo gusto ni mo? Nadaghan sa dinas sa tindahan. Oh, there's so many biscuits. You like biscuit, be? What do you want? No. What do you like? Only ice cream? Oh, it's open. Ah. No, I just taste it. It's yummy. And refreshing. Do you want something to eat? Wala na? Okay.
Dahil ko dahil. Patala ako dahil. Ulit yun.
Ah,
Gusto na ko magumubo na.
mm.
Ako nito na lang. Magumubo lang. Ano may bunga na magumubo ba?
Is it yummy? Yummy.
Yummy. Rainbow.
You gonna? Yeah, I buy some egg.
No, no. Stick.
Mama buy some egg for you. And for the shop. Let's go na. Chicken, oh. Dagan chicken. Dagan ng chicken. Let's go na. Bugnaw po na. Kung man nila may ugdi bugnaw ba? We're going home na.
Tama?
Yes. Ang budget ng barangay. Latte, latte. Yeah, we're going home. Oh my, there's a humps. My humps, my humps, my humps, my humps. Yeah, there's a Coke delivery. Bye, Coke. There's so many vegetables. Bye-bye.